My name is Lacey, and I'm a caged muscle athlete. Ever since I could walk, I feel like I've been bound to play football. Caged muscle for me has helped me to gain energy. I feel like my body's transforming. The energy, the BCAAs and the amino acids and the recages makes my muscles not so sore the very next day. And I didn't really have that coming in when I left college. So coming in, I feel like my muscles each and every day are like more and more fresh. The supplements are helping me to get to those goals. And there's something that's there when all the nutrition, the meals, the whole foods, they don't really cut it and get you to your calorie deficit or your calorie goals.